guys, welcome to my first video in Dominica, first working video in the Caribbean. So I'm actually at my mother's home and she's got a water leak outside. So first job already, no time for rest. So I'm going to sort this leak out. So I'm going to show you the leak. This video might apply as far as a how-to more for people in the States, obviously in the Caribbean as well, because the system of plumbing here is more similar to like America. Well, I'm very different than the UK, but I've done a bit of plumbing here before, so I'm familiar with the products and so on. So I'll show you guys what the problem is. The back here is very overgrown, but we should be able to get to it. So I'll show you now. So here is the problem. This pipe coming into the house, there's a tiny hole right here, if you can see it, and it's spraying out. So I'm going to cut it right here, obviously turn the water off, cut it, and then I'm gonna put a joint there, and that should sort it. I'll be putting a joint like this here, which will be glued. So let's see if we can find out firstly how to turn this water off and then sort it out. So as you can see, it's stopped now. So the water is off, so I can cut the pipe now. So I'm going to cut it exactly where the hole is. So that is repair done. So I'm going to let that set for about 10 minutes. Then we can turn the water on, test it. Should be good to go. Okay guys, so the water is back on and no leaks. I've checked it, pipes are dry, and no more spraying water. So job done. On to the next one. So thanks for watching guys, and we see you on the next one. Take care.